Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We have 4, 6, 28, 2, 6, number 20. We can do about factorization by number 2. Next, we simplify number 2 in here and number 2 in here. Next, we need to do about factorization of this one. So I will put about negative 2x plus 5x. So s and s we can do about factorization in here. Number 5 and number 10 we can do another factorization in here. So s minus 2, we can do another factorization. Now we do the similar for this one. I will put about negative 4x plus 7x. This one we can do about factorization by 2x. This one we can do by number 7. So s minus 2, we can do another factorization. Now we simplify s minus 2 on numerator and denominator. And now I can put number 2 on here and here. We have 4 plus 7, you got about 11. This one you got about 7. This is the end. Thank you for watching.